Hello, Blue Gang. Welcome to the first ever episode with Trading with More Tips and Tricks. And today, I'll be talking about the five things you need to get started as an FX trader. The first thing normally is a laptop. Most traders uses phone to trade, but it's preferable for a new trader to use a laptop or monitor because the bigger the screen, the clearer the picture. The second thing normally is trading view. This platform help you work on your trading plan and strategy in order for you to become a better trader. The third one normally is a broker. Now this help you in depositing your money, withdrawals, and executing your trades. This is the broker I use preferable for everyone. Now the fourth one on my list is MetaTrader. We have the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. It's left for you to pick the one you like. Now the last but not the least, you need FX Mode. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to like and subscribe for episode 2.